In today's fast-paced world, cities are bustling with activity from dawn till dusk. The lifeblood of these urban centers is the seamless movement of people and goods, facilitated by a vast network of vehicles. However, managing these fleets efficiently remains a significant challenge for many organizations. Across institutions, managing vehicles with outdated paper-based methods leads to confusion, delays, and wasted resources. Imagine the chaos of sifting through stacks of paperwork just to locate a single vehicle's maintenance record or usage history. This not only hampers productivity, but also increases the risk of errors and mismanagement. Without real-time data, organizations struggle with undocumented vehicle usage, missed maintenance, and inefficient planning. The lack of visibility into fleet operations can lead to unexpected breakdowns, higher operational costs, and dissatisfied stakeholders. It's clear that a more sophisticated approach is needed to tackle these challenges head-on. Introducing our web-based fleet management system, a smart, scalable platform that brings transport operations into the digital age. This innovative solution integrates seamlessly with your existing infrastructure, providing a comprehensive overview of your entire fleet at your fingertips. With powerful features like real-time tracking, fuel monitoring, and automated requests, our system ensures that you have complete control over every aspect of your fleet. Whether it's monitoring fuel consumption to reduce costs or tracking vehicle locations to optimize routes, our platform empowers you to make data-driven decisions with ease. Every vehicle and driver is just a click away. User-friendly interface allows fleet managers to access critical information instantly, streamlining communication and coordination across the board. Tested and refined at the University of Rwanda College of Science and Technology, this system proves its impact in real-world conditions. The university's diverse fleet, ranging from buses to service vehicles, has benefited immensely from the enhanced oversight and efficiency provided by our platform. This system proves its impact in real-world conditions. By leveraging real-time data and advanced analytics, the university has been able to reduce downtime, improve vehicle utilization, and ensure timely maintenance, ultimately enhancing the overall experience for students and staff. Beyond universities, it's built for government agencies, NGOs, and companies needing better fleet control. Our platform is designed to cater to the unique needs of various sectors, providing tailored solutions that drive efficiency and transparency. Our fleet management system is not just a tool, it's a transformative solution that redefines how organizations manage their transport operations. Welcome to the future of fleet management. Embrace the power of technology to streamline your operations, reduce costs, and improve overall performance. Ready to transform your transport operations? Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth transition to a more efficient and effective fleet management system. Discover the power of digital fleet management today. Join the ranks of forward-thinking organizations that are revolutionizing their transport operations with our cutting-edge platform.